Habakran Shikinong Tho Kubor Hakasantarek Unailar, Usembot Menteri Rangba Uba Preston Tensong Ubadei Kmi Yakatanat Home Pulen, Ulaong Baula Khodjinga Lang Gabalaya Don Lang U Chief Secretary, U Director General of Police, but U BSF Inspector General, Banyakran Halor Ka Jinglong Jingman Ha Bangladesh. Uba Preston Ulaong, Kum Kilat Yada Bangidon Kamban Shimna Kabanta Ka Jilla, Bat Karihi Barok Away, Mentang ila Shimrai ban Pynjari ya ka kendon night curfew ha khappud bat ka Bangladesh na do menta kamin. Uten song ulaong bakani ka night curfew kan trekam arspa amita na ka 0 point ne na ka international pillar syapo upur usam kari India na do henriu baji janmit ha do henriu baji menstamp man kasngi. Ka Sorkar kan sa syembyang ya karai halor kani ka jing Pynjari kendon ha do uba ka jinglong jingman ha kari marjan kanlong ka bajai-jai ula ban ram.
So today evening I call a meeting urgently on seeing the situation of Bangladesh government, which has already, I should say, collapsed. Then we had a meeting today at around 5:30 with the officers or chief secretary or DGP, and also from the office of the IG BSF. So we discussed certain issues because we really don't know the situation in the near future. But to a proactive measure we need to take for the interest of the state as well as for the interest of the country as a whole. So today we decided to impose curfew all along the international border with Bangladesh from tonight itself, and this curfew will be implemented only up to 200 meters inside the Indian territory from the 0 point or from the pillar, we call it, from the pillar, from the international pillar, 200 meters inside the Indian territory from 6 p.m. up to 6 a.m. in the morning every day till the situation is improved. Then the government again will take further decision on this imposition of the curfew. So that is the decision we taken today, and the curfew will start, as I said to you, immediately from tonight. So I would like to request all the citizens of the state staying in those areas to kindly bear with the government for imposition of this curfew, because as I said to you, we don't know yet the situation in Bangladesh. So I would like to request all the citizens of the state, especially for our citizens who stays in the border area between Bangladesh, to kindly cooperate and also to be ready in case if there is any information they receive. The state government as well as the IG or the BSF personnel are always there 24/7.